Simply choose it, copy it, and then paste it into Google Docs. That is all that is required. The only thing left to do after creating your output with ChatGPT is to sell it for $5, $10, or even $20. You only need to complete the assignment once, and you may sell it often to bring in a stream of passive cash. The best thing is that it simply takes 5 minutes to make with the ChatGPT. In this video, you will discover how to copy and paste using ChatGPT. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. You are certainly aware of what a great chatbot ChatGPT is. Before I continue into how we can use ChatGPT to make money, let me simply give you a few samples of what ChatGPT can achieve. For instance, if I want to know what the best ideas from a book are, all I have to do is ask ChatGPT what the book's top 10 best ideas are. The best inferences from any book can be made fast and simply without ever having read it. ChatGPT will answer straight quickly and provide you with a plot synopsis, even if you just want to read up on some history. You probably don't think about all of these things because you clicked on this video to discover how to make money online. According to ChatGPT, selling goods and services online is the best way to make money online. Providing freelancing services is the second. The third step entails creating and promoting a game or app. Working as an affiliate marketer is the fourth option. Fifth, sell online courses or host webinars. One of the best ways to make money online is by selling digital products, as the profit margin is pretty high and you may create a product only once and sell it often. Digital product creation is also cost-free. As you can see, selling digital things like ebooks or courses is one of the best strategies to generate money online, according to ChatGPT. In a moment, I'll show you exactly how to transform your ebook into cash once I've shown you how to utilize ChatGPT to build an ebook. You only need to make it once and sell it frequently to generate passive money. Let me show you how to use ChatGPT to write a wonderful ebook in just 5 minutes. Before we begin creating your ebook, you must have an idea for it. What ebook ought to be created with a ChatGPT? If you want to make money selling ebooks, you must first sell what customers are willing to purchase. Learn about the most well-liked nonfiction books categories. We'll only use ChatGPT to assist you in conducting research, even if you don't have any ideas about the types of ebooks you want to create and sell. I'll just put something like, what are the popular categories for a nonfiction book? We want to find out what is popular and what is in demand, so that we can find out what people want to buy. And then we develop ebooks to fulfill the need. I asked ChatGPT what the public categories were for nonfiction books, and they replied, writing a book that nobody would want to buy would be a waste of time. As you can see, we cover a wide range of fascinating ideas, including those related to business and finance, self-help and personal development, history, science, and technology. We can just ask ChatGPT to make more recommendations if you want more. If you believe that this list of 10 is insufficient, just ask ChatGPT to keep thinking of fresh suggestions. In this situation, we selected self-help and personal development because it seems intriguing. The norm will be ebooks that offer guidance and counsels on topics like productivity, relationships, and self-improvement. Self-help and personal development is a vast category. If you want even more ideas for a nonfiction book, ask ChatGPT to suggest the subtopics to us so we can have a more specialized ebook. We don't simply publish an ebook about business and finance because that would be too general, too vague, and too hard to market. Ask ChatGPT to come up with some excellent ideas for us. This will provide you a far better idea for your ebook when we wait for ChatGPT to inform us of some of the popular subtopics. We have things like motivation and goal setting, time management, communication skills, stress management, leadership, creativity, and self-care inside self-help and personal development. So write something along the lines of, what are the subtopics for this category? Self-help and personal development. Simply choose what interests you the most. Let's take time management as an example. Let's start writing the ebook today. Let's first ask ChatGPT to develop an outline for us. ChatGPT will organize the book for you. After walking you through each chapter and presenting you with a table of contents, they will arrange the book in the order you choose. These chapters are all present and are organized rationally. These topics are followed by an introduction and a summary of time management in Chapter 1. Choose the book's outline from the ChatGPT area, then return to Google Docs and paste the outline you have copied there. You already have the outline for the full book. We'd want ChatGPT to start putting the booklet together for us. The definition of time management will be the first chapter of our ebook. So all we have to do is copy it. Head back to ChatGPT, put in "Write a chapter for the definition of time management," leave a checkbox in GPT, and we'll start writing. ChatGPT will help you write the first chapter of your ebook in a matter of seconds. Simply pick it out, copy it, then return to Google Docs and paste it there. The next chapter will just continue it. So I head over here, copy it, and return. I'll then ask ChatGPT to write this chapter after that. This will be Chapter 2 and ChatGPT will write Chapter 3 for us. When it's ready, all we have to do is select it, copy it, and then, just like before, go to Google Docs and paste it there. The only thing left to do is to proceed on with the method and ask ChatGPT to type up Chapters 3, 4, and 5. You can have your entire ebook ready for you in a couple of minutes if you just keep copying and pasting in this way. Just a quick tip, you can just ask ChatGPT to write more by asking "please write more," and it will then keep adding new paragraphs to the chapter if you feel the chapter is too short. By clicking File Download and then PDF Document, you can rapidly create your first ebook using the ChatGPT and allow readers to download it as a PDF. You want to upload your first ebook to the market after utilizing ChatGPT to create it so you can sell it. One of the various websites you can use to sell your ebooks is Gumroad.com. As you can see, selling an ebook in PDF format is possible with Gumroad. You might also decide to sell different kinds of digital goods if you so desire. Gumroad has the advantage of being free in the sense that there are no monthly payments. Other platforms would likely require payment if you use them. You typically pay $40, $50, or even $100 on many other platforms only to use their service. You only pay Gumroad 10% fee when you actually make money. There are no recurring charges. Gumroad won't charge its 10% fee until you start making sales. Gumroad is great since you can launch it for free. Gumroad will withdraw $100 from your earnings as platform usage cost if you sell an ebook and make $100. They will do this by taking 10% of your earnings as fees. After you publish your ebooks on Gumroad and made it a purchasable item, all that's left to do is promote it on social media using YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. You may persuade people to go to Gumroad and buy your ebook. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.